Hello students, I am Dr. Sandeep Gaute. In this video, I am going to discuss the most important MCQs based on unit number 2, and unit title of unit number 2 is recent trends in business communication, and two subtopics I am going to cover here. First one is email and second one is website. It means total 35 MCQs are given. Some are based on email and some are based on website, and this is from this subject is prescribed for class SY, for the class SY BCom, and semester is 4th, and university SPPU. These questions are the most important for upcoming examination. So let us start with the MCQs. Now first one is email. So we are going to discuss MCQs based on email. So 15 MCQs are given based on email. So read the question carefully, guess the correct answer and see the correct answer. Identify the long form of email from the below given options. 4 options are given. First option is electrical mail, second one is electronics mail, third one is electronic mail, and fourth one is electronic mail. Please see the spellings also, and the correct answer is number 3. Next question, question number 2. What does BCC stands for in email writing? Okay, in email writing. Options: behind business copy, blind carbon copy, blind copy, and business carbon copy. And the correct answer is number 2, and what is that? Blind carbon copy. Question number 3 is there now. The subject line in email drafting is used for dash. So you have to find the correct option. Giving a brief description of the email, writing the email message, for attachments, and fourth one is writing the recipient's names. And the correct answer is answer number 1, giving a brief description of the message. Question number 4 is, which of these is a good example of an email username? Options are given: Sassy Chick 2020, second whatever you are 2000, third Nikhil Patil 1, and fourth one is who am I guess. And the correct answer is number 3, Nikhil Patil 1. Next question, question number 5. Good morning Mr. Rati is an example of dash. This is related to email. Options: number 1 salutation, number 2 closing statement, 3 email body, and number 4 subject line. And the correct answer is number 1, that is salutation. Question number 6 is on the screen now. Read the question. Question number 6. Email content should ideally be presented as. Number 1 option, number 1 is 1 long paragraph, 2 bullet points, 3 story format, number 4 text and images, and the correct answer is number 2, that is bullet points. Question number 7 is on the screen now, and question is, how should the subject line be? How should it be? 1 long paragraph, second obscure, third one is blank, and fourth one is, how should it be? Short and precise. So it must be answer number 4, that is short and precise. Question number 8 is on the screen now. Please read the question. SMS language in bracket great TC tomorrow in the email should, options are given. Read the 4 options: 1, 2, 3, 4. Be used with all the clients, be used as per your mood, not be used in any case, and number 4 is given there, and the correct answer is number 3. It should not be used at all actually. Number 9. Email address contains dash parts. 1 is 3, second one is 2, third one is 1, and fourth one is 4. So which is the correct option? Email address contains 2 parts. So correct answer is number 2. Question number 10 is on the screen now. The tone of your emails should be, how should be the tone? Number 1 polite and assertive, second aggressive, number 3 bossy, and number 4 insulting. Definitely the correct answer is number 1, it must be polite and assertive. Question number 11 is on the screen now. Question number 11. Proofreading emails before hitting send is, can be done sometimes, not necessary, the best practice, boring, it must be. What is the correct answer? Number 3, the best practice. Question number Question number 12 is on the screen. It is important to read the email completely before responding. So find out the correct answer, and correct answer is was yes, it must be read. So correct answer is option number 1. Question number 13 is on the screen now. Read it. An email includes a storage area known as, and the correct answer is storage area. That is 4 options are given. Correct answer is number 4, that is mailbox. Question number 14 is given. Email addresses separate the username and ISP with the letter, and 4 options are given, and the correct answer is number 3, that is at. Question number 15 is on the screen. This is the last question based on email. Which of the following is not the part of the format of email? So which is not? 4 options are given. Yes, answer is number 4, PowerPoint. It cannot be the part of format of email. Remaining are the parts. Next one is, what is given? Questions based on websites. 20 questions, 20 MCQs are given on this one, and this is from unit number 2. Actually 15 is given there, but actually 20 questions are given. You can see ahead. Question number 16, www. Actually this is the first question based on website. www stands for, it stands for World Wide Web. World Wide Web. Answer is number 1, World Wide Web. Question number 17. Question number 17. Amazon is the best example of blogging site, e-commerce site, social media site, government site. It is not. It is e-commerce site. Option number 2 is correct. E-commerce site. Next question. Next question you have to read properly. Question number 18. Which of the following websites type is used to create beautiful animations? E-commerce, static, flash, and dynamic. And the correct answer is flash. Flash one. Third one is the correct answer. Next question is on the screen. Please read it. Question number 19. The extension with which web documents are saved is .class, .web, .html, .com, and the correct answer is option number, what is the correct answer? Number 3, .html. Next question. Read the question. Which of the following is an example of search engine? So you need to know Bing, Alta Vista, Yahoo, all the above, and the correct answer is option number, guess it, 4, all the above. All these are the search engines. Next question. Question is on the screen now. Question number 21. Websites used for building network with friends and relatives is called net banking, social networking, e-commerce, and the last option is given, advertising. What is the correct answer? Option number 2, social networking sites. Next question is on the screen. Question number 22. Websites used to sell and buy something are categorized under sell and buy, net banking, search engines, e-commerce, and what is the last option? Advertising. And the correct answer is, this is e-commerce, means third option is the correct one. Question number 23 is on the screen. Google is an example of net banking, search engine, third option e-commerce, and last option is what? Entertaining website. And the correct answer is number 2, this is the search engine. Google is an example of search engine. Next question is on the screen. Question number 24. Student X used combination of PHP, MySQL and HTML for his project. What is the type of website developed by student X? That is dynamic, static, flash, and none of the above. Definitely what is the correct one? And the correct answer is on the screen now, number 1, for dynamic it is used. Next question. Question number 25. Which of the following is not an example of e-commerce site? Amazon, Twitter, next one is eBay, and the last one is Flipkart. So which is the correct option? E-commerce. Which is not, keep in mind that is which is not, that is Twitter. It is social media website, social networking. Next question. Question number 26. HTML is used to create machine language programs, web server. Number 3 is web page, and what is the last one? That is the all the above, and the correct answer is option number 3. It is used for web pages, web page development, to create web page. Next question number 27. A website's front page, main page is called front page, browse page, search page, third option bookmark, and the last option number 4 is home page. And the correct answer is number 4, it is called home page, home page. Question number 28. Internet Explorer falls under number 1 browser, number 2 search engine, number 3 operating system, and number 4 is compiler. It is, what is Internet Explorer? It is a browser. So correct answer is option number 1. Next question number 29. A computer on internet are identified by, it is identified by number 1 email address, number 2 street address, number 3 IP address, number 4 none of the above, and it is identified by number 3. Option number 3 is correct, IP address. Next question is on the screen now. Question number 30. The home page is your site's main hub and serves as the face of a brand. What is the correct option? True or false? This statement is correct, means it is true. Number 1 answer. Next question is on the screen. Question number 31. Which program is used by web clients to view the web pages? Which program? Web browser, protocol, web server, and what is the last one? All the above. And the correct answer is web browser is used. Web browser program is used by the web clients to view the web pages. Next question is question number 32 is what is the name of the location address of the hypertext documents? Option web address, file, third one is web server, and number 4 is uniform resource locator, that is called URL, and the correct answer is option number 4, uniform resource locator. Question number 33. What is the name of the location address of the hypertext documents? And options are web address, file, number 3 web server, and number 4 is uniform resource locator. This question is repeated, so you need to understand what is the correct answer. Already I told you, that is number 4. Question number 34. The .com indicates websites of dash types of organizations: common, commercial, upcoming, and last option all above are wrong. And the correct answer is number 2. Option number 2, commercial. .com indicates commercial websites. And question number 35. This is the last question. The domain name facebook.com consists of the website's name Facebook and the domain name extension.com. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. Facebook, it indicates username, and next one is domain name. So dear students, hope all these questions will be useful for you for the upcoming examinations. Thank you so much. I request everyone to subscribe, like, and share the channel, and convey this one to your friends. Thanks a lot.